Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for all of us, saving our oceans. We all know how vital the oceans are, not just for marine life, but for our entire planet. But here's the good news. With the right tech and community efforts, we can make a gigantic impact. First up, let's talk about technology. Satellite monitoring and AI are game changers. Imagine having real-time data about marine health at your fingertips. This tech allows us to track illegal fishing, monitor sea temperatures, and even predict harmful algal blooms before they wreak havoc. It's like having a crystal ball for ocean conservation. Now let's move on to blue carbon ecosystems. These are coastal habitats like mangroves, seagrasses, and salt marshes that store carbon and help fight climate change. Restoring these ecosystems is like hitting the jackpot for the environment. They not only capture carbon, but also protect coastlines and support biodiversity. So investing in their restoration is a win-win-win. Sustainable aquaculture is another biggie. Traditional fishing methods are depleting our oceans, but sustainable aquaculture practices can meet our seafood demands without harming marine life. Think of it like farm to table, but for fish. By adopting these practices, we ensure a steady, eco-friendly supply of seafood. And let's not forget the circular economy. Imagine a world where marine resources are reused, recycled, and repurposed. This reduces waste and lessens the strain on our oceans. It's all about making the most out of what we have without taking more from the sea. But tech and policies alone won't cut it. Empowering local communities is key. Co-management models, where communities have a say in managing their resources, have proven incredibly effective. These people know their waters better than anyone else, and their involvement ensures that conservation efforts are practical and sustainable. Strengthening legal frameworks is also crucial. We need robust laws to protect our oceans, and equally important, we need to enforce them. This means cracking down on illegal fishing and holding polluters accountable. Last but definitely not least, raising public awareness. The more people know, the more they care. Simple actions like reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable seafood, and advocating for ocean-friendly policies can make a huge difference. Every little bit helps. So, there you have it. By leveraging advanced technologies, restoring blue carbon ecosystems, adopting sustainable aquaculture, implementing a circular economy, empowering communities, strengthening legal frameworks, and raising public awareness, we can save our oceans. The task is monumental, but together it's absolutely possible. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on how we can protect our planet. Let's make waves in ocean conservation. See you next time.